Inside these massive concrete fortresses lives the cloud, and the cloud generates an unimaginable amount of heat.
Millions of microchips process billions of calculations per second, turning electricity directly into thermal energy.
Without massive, continuous cooling, this hardware would literally melt itself in minutes.
Industrial air conditioning pushes chilled air through the floors to battle the rising temperatures. But cooling the air requires chilling the water. And this is where the massive thirst begins. Millions of gallons of water circulate daily, acting as the lifeblood of thermal management.
To feed the chillers, these facilities often tap directly into municipal water supplies and local reservoirs.
A single large data center can consume millions of gallons of water every single day.
This fresh water is drawn away from local communities and agriculture to feed the cooling towers. The hot water from the server floors is pumped to the roof into massive evaporative cooling towers.
Air is drawn across the falling hot water, cooling it down, but at a massive environmental cost.
A significant percentage of the fresh water is evaporated entirely, lost to the atmosphere forever.
In regions already facing drought, this immense consumption creates direct conflict.
The water that isn't evaporated becomes heavily concentrated with minerals and must be purged as wastewater.
As AI expands, the sheer volume of water required puts unprecedented stress on local grids.
Some facilities use closed-loop systems, rejecting heat through massive radiators without evaporating water.
But preserving water often means consuming vastly more electricity to run the massive fans.
Advanced facilities now build dedicated recycling plants to reuse every possible drop.
The future relies on bringing the coolant directly to the source, direct-to-chip liquid cooling.
Liquid is thousands of times more efficient at absorbing heat than air.
This allows for massive AI compute density without evaporating millions of gallons into the sky.
But engineering alone cannot solve this crisis.
Speak up for our most vital natural resource. Demand water-conscious computing. Subscribe and join the movement to protect our future.